Excellency Charles Jose, the Philippines Ambassador to Malaysia, Mr. Ng Wan Sri K. Johari, Mr. Akram Shah Muhammad Ubaidah Samsi, President of the Malaysian Chess Federation, to all members of the Tan family, members of the press, all esteemed guests and chess players. Greetings to our honored guests and sponsors at the main tables, and greetings to all participants, organizers, and our many chess friends from all over the world. As we gather here today for the closing ceremony of the 17th Malaysian Chess Festival, let us pay a moment's tribute to the memory of the late Datuk Tan Chin Nam, who laid the foundation for chess to grow and take hold in Malaysia. For the past 10 days of Malaysian Chess Festival, we've had a total of 850 chess players participating in all the events. This included 99 titled players. This is a good number. This is actually an astounding number, seeing that we are only starting to emerge from a global lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Of this number, 77 players took part in the Dato' Arthur Tan Malaysian Open, 31 in the Seniors Open, and 144 in the Malaysia Chess Challenge. Prior to these three events, there were 280 participants that played in the Merdeka Rapid Chess Open Team Tournament. I'm informed by Hua Sing San that the players were from 21 different nationalities. There were many Malaysians, but we also had players from Indonesia, the Philippines, and Singapore returning in great numbers to support the chess festival. India was well represented, and of the other countries, we had chess friends from Vietnam, Thailand, Australia, New Zealand, China, Brunei, Uzbekistan, the United States, England, Belgium, Iraq, Korea, the Netherlands, Russia, and Switzerland. I would like to, Your Excellency, I would like to share that your country has a special chess connection with Penang, which is the state where I come from. In 1974, the first Asian Team Chess Championship was held in Penang. It was from that instance in Penang that the late Datuk Tan Chin Nam forged a great lifelong friendship with your Mr. Florencio Campomanes. They had immense respect for each other. 8 years later, Mr. Campomanes went on to become the president of the World Chess Federation, and Datuk Tan followed his friend to become the deputy president for Asia. Together, they promoted chess throughout the world. Coincidentally, this is the FIDE year of the woman in chess. And I appreciate that the organizing committee is led by a woman, our Miss Tan Mei Sian herself. And we have good representation of women in the organizing committee. I would like to appreciate the following people and sponsors, without whom the Malaysian Chess Festival 2022 would not have happened. The Datuk Tan Chin Nam Foundation, IGB Corporation Berhad, Cititel Midvalley, Ms. Tan Mei Sian, Mr. Ng the World Chess Federation, and the President of the World Chess Federation, Astro, and our many sponsors, and also thank you very much to all the members of the Tan family. And before I end, I would, I know there's still a lot of things in tonight's agenda, so I will keep this short and sweet. To all our friends who are going home tomorrow, I bid you adieu. Please do remember to come back for the 18th Malaysian Chess Festival, and please do consider coming for the Penang Chess Festival 2022 as well. Thank you.